आज जूनियर अपनी मैच में फर्स्ट आया है तो हम उसको आज ट्रीट करने के लिए मसाला ओक लेके आए हैं. राइट जूनी?
Yes. I came first. Yeah, but I only had one race.
Yes. Basically they both come first. So Dada and Mummy is treating the boys, right?
Let's cheer on your swimmers. Blue Marlins and Speedos in the water. Cheer on these boys, they are doing well. Look at lane 5. Yunus Shaikh of Speedos. Yunus touching in first from Speedos. Touching in.
Do you want to eat?
I came first in the butterfly. I said that I wanted to go to Nirvana.
Yes, he choose to go to Nirvana. अगर जॉनस होता तो जॉनस बोलता चाइनीज खाने चलो. और मेरा जूनियर he said कि इंडियन खाना खाने चलो.
Because I did better than Jonas.
Yes, you did better than Jonas. Absolutely.
We both.
Yes, you come first. हम ऑर्डर कर रहे हैं कॉटेज चीज़ विथ स्पिनिच रोल और येलो दाल फ्राई. नहीं, येलो दाल फ्राई नहीं, हमने आज माखनी दाल ऑर्डर की है. और क्या ऑर्डर किया है? ओ यस, गार्लिक चीज़ नान, हम सबका फेवरेट. या
मून पैलेस में ये निकालोगे ना? निकाल दिया.
Oh yes, and this kebab platter as well. So we had ordered this kebab platter also. This platter look yummy. You like your food, Juni?
Yes.
My Juni is eating roti and dal.
Matthew, I never realized. What are these? What the hell? What are these?
What time is Matthew? Let me sit on pizza right now.
We need this.
We need these to match up.
Matthew.
Take up this.
Give me. I'm working out.
Put these together. Put these two pieces together. Find no. Find the other two pieces to this. So, look here.
Okay.
One on left,
So
one
guys
on
are
right.
making scallion.
One on left and one on right.
Stop. Matthew, where is that?
Right? Hold this one.
And the
I
feet.
don't want to stay so.
The feet.
Those are the feet. Wait, no, Matthew. No, man. Don't mix up the feet, then, man. I'll put them away.
But how is it going to stand up?
That's what I'm trying to work.
So. Hey. What are these?
What are those? What are
those?
those? You got that from Black Panther, didn't you?
No.
What are those? Did I find a solution to make it stand up? Yes, I did! Where's the other piece? I found a solution.
And this is
Fire!
called the friendship parts. Now someone else will break the friendship parts. Who's gonna do it? Good.
Yay!
go.
I don't like friendship.
Good.
I have no idea what me I go.
I'm the weirdest child ever.
One time I wear glasses.
Other foot, nothing. I try to put down.
What is that, foot?
Yeah, foot.
Huh? What is in your hand?
I'm looking to win.
Spinal cord?
The spinal cord. We're mega try ribs it up there.
No, not my ribs.
I'm trying to see some of them close.
Yo, I just forgot what this could be. When you project it at the lights, Matthew.
It's your brain.
No, Matthew. When you project it at the light,
Oh, I did.
when you project it at the lights, what do you get?
Bigger and bigger.
Oh wait, I like touching.
Come, stop.